Welcome to UIFry. Today, we're taking a journey through the diverse world of product UI types. Let's get started. UI, or user interface, refers to the point of interaction between a user and a digital product or services. It's how people control, manipulate, and interact with your digital product, whether that's a website, app, software, physical product, or SaaS tool. Now let's discuss the types. Type 1. Websites. Website UI focuses on guiding users through web content in an intuitive way. This might include elements like menus, buttons, or graphics that help users navigate the site. Websites need to be user-friendly across various devices and screen sizes, which is where responsive design comes into play. Type 2. Apps. App UI is designed for smaller screens and often relies on different gestures, like swiping or tapping. Good app UI design is uncluttered, intuitive, and user-friendly. Whether it's a mobile app or a desktop app, the goal is to make the user's interaction as simple and efficient as possible. Type 3. Softwares. Software UI is all about functionality. It can range from the complexity of a video editing program to the simplicity of a note-taking app. The design often focuses on the tasks the user needs to complete, making it as easy and intuitive as possible to navigate through the software. Type 4. Products. Physical product UI involves tangible, interactive elements like buttons, dials, or touchscreens on a physical device. The key here is to create a natural and seamless interaction between the user and the device, often integrating digital and physical design elements. Type 5. SaaS tools. SaaS, or software as a service, UI design often involves complex systems and a lot of data. The challenge is to make it easy for the user to understand and manipulate this data. A good SaaS UI will be user-friendly, intuitive, and cater to the specific needs of the user, whether that's data analysis, project management, or email marketing. And that's a wrap on our exploration of product UI types. Remember, a great UI design understands its users, is intuitive, and makes the user's journey as smooth as possible. Tune into UIFry for more insights on design and user experience.